Okay.
Down there in Clarendon.
You're a fisherman?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So you'll be catching lionfish as well?
No, I'm not said fish pot. We don't find the market for the lionfish like that. But you can buy it and bring it down there, you know?
Okay.
And that's what we want to know, so people need it to eat.
Okay.
You can buy it and take it to them.
Okay, good. That's what I'm going to work on. That's what we were just talking about with Mr. Williams and Mr. Archer. We're going to see if we can get Rainforest Seafood to help us to take it off your hands, you know. If they can promise to take it, then it means that you'll be more encouraged to go out and catch it. I think so too.
Normally, that's the most fisherman catching.
That's what I hear, which is not good. Not good.
You're right that sometimes when the guys really take it out of the pot.
You're a fisherman too?
Yeah, man.
Wow, okay, good.
In the fish pot and most times catch it just kill it and leave it in the pot. I'm scared when I jump in or so.
Yeah, because I hear some people have to go to the hospital and get injection and all of them kind of drama. Yeah. Yeah. You have to respect the lionfish.
Shock you like.
Yeah. I think so too, because instead of you throwing it away, giving it away or killing it, then you could actually make some money from it.
Market feed. Fishermen need market feed. Too much waste, you know?
Alright.
Fish catching on the beach around as lionfish.
Yeah.
And no market for it.
That means that they're dominating and they have killed off the other fish, definitely.
Lionfish take over the sea right now.
Alright. What is your name? I didn't get your name. Ascot. And you? Lewin? Yeah. Okay, good. Nice meeting you. So I hope that you'll be entering the competition as well, alright?